Before buying a digital laser tape measure, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but real buyers are definitely talking about it. It's not just about features, it's about how well these tools perform when you really need them.
Product number 1, Bosch GLM 100-23. The Bosch GLM 100-23, a sleek blue laser distance measure. What caught my eye was its accuracy, measuring up to 100 feet within 1/16 inch. If you want precise measurements without the fuss, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this product solves your problem. The Bosch is super easy to use, featuring just 2 buttons, one for measuring and another for rounding. This simplicity means you won't waste time fussing over complicated settings. Plus, with a backlit display, you can easily read measurements even in low light. With over 5,000 units sold in the last month, there's no denying this tool has made a mark. Now, some people complained about the lack of included batteries, which can be a hassle. Here's the thing though, most of us have spare batteries lying around anyway, so it's easy to overlook this minor issue. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking for straightforward accuracy. Skip this one if you need something that comes fully packaged with batteries. Overall, this tool offers great value for your money. Now, if the battery issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Rockseed 165 feet laser measuring tool. The Rockseed portable laser measure, which offers a fantastic range of up to 165 feet for just $19.99. This caught my attention due to its rapid measurement feature, clocking in at only 0.2 seconds. If speed and flexibility are what you're after, this one's a must-see. This tool features dual bubble levels, ensuring you get accurate measurements every time, which is crucial if you're laying out anything precise. It supports multiple units and has a high accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 inch, making it adaptable for various projects. Plus, with a temperature range from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, it's built to work under different conditions, making it reliable for both indoor and outdoor tasks. This 165 feet laser measure has already gained over 2,000 sales, showing it's popular among users. However, some reviews noted that the buttons can be a bit unresponsive at times. I'll be real with you, this can be frustrating, especially if you're in a hurry. But if you're patient and can work around it, the speed and features make it worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you're working on a variety of projects and need a reliable tool for both small and large measurements. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional measuring method. For the price, it's hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more functionality.
Product number 3, Rockseed 50M Laser Measure. Another Rockseed product, the Laser Measure 50M, priced at $20.39. This model caught my eye due to its unique features like a mute setting, which is perfect for quiet environments. If you often measure in places where noise is a concern, you'll want to hear about this one. It offers the same precision as its sibling, measuring up to 165 feet with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 inch. The large backlit LCD screen makes reading measurements in the dark a breeze, which is great if you're working in dimly lit areas. Plus, it has a memory function for up to 20 measurements, a handy feature if you're juggling multiple tasks. With over 1,000 sales, many people are finding this tool incredibly useful. Some users mentioned that the battery life could be improved. Honestly, this can be a hassle if you're using it heavily, but considering it comes with a good warranty and solid features, it's not a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you frequently measure in low light or quiet spaces. Skip this one if you need a longer measuring range. Given its features, you definitely get your money's worth here. Now, if you're looking for something even more advanced, the next product is going to blow you away.
Product number 4, Rockseed Digital Laser Distance Meter. We have another Rockseed model, the Digital Laser Distance Meter, which offers an impressive 328 feet of measuring range for just $25.49. What really stood out to me was its enhanced precision and the 2 bubble levels. If you want to take your measuring game to the next level, this is worth considering. With the same laser precision technology, this tool maintains an accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 inch, and the multiple measurement features, including area and volume calculations, make it versatile for all your needs. It's also splash and dust resistant, which adds to its durability. This model is also experiencing great sales, with over 1,000 units sold recently. Some users did find it a bit bulkier than expected, which might be a concern for portability. However, if you're okay with a little extra weight for enhanced features, it's a small compromise for what you get. This is perfect for you if you need a robust tool for construction or renovation projects. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight. Given the features and durability, it's a great value. Finally, if you want a combination of digital and traditional measuring, the last product on my list is a unique blend.
Product number 5, Lexivon 2-in-1 Digital Laser Tape Measure. We have the Lexivon 2-in-1 Digital Laser Tape Measure, retailing at $59.97. This caught my eye because it combines a 130-foot laser distance measure with a 16-foot auto-lock tape. If you want versatility in one device, this is definitely worth checking out. It's designed for quick measurements with a single button operation, which is fantastic for those who are always on the go. The large LCD screen displays both fractional and continuous measurements accurately to plus or minus 1/16 inch. This combo means you can easily switch between digital and traditional tape measuring, depending on your needs. With over 700 sales recently, many users seem to appreciate this dual functionality. However, some reviews pointed out that the auto-lock tape could be a bit finicky. I didn't expect this to be an issue, but if you're used to a traditional tape, you might take some time to adjust. This is perfect for you if you want the best of both worlds in measuring options. Skip this one if you strictly prefer digital measuring tools. Given its innovative design, it's a solid investment.
We've covered the Bosch GLM 100-23 for its accuracy, Rockseed's options for their versatility and price, and finally the Lexivon for its unique 2-in-1 feature. Each has its strengths, so consider your specific needs before deciding. Whether you want speed, convenience, or a combined measuring tool, there's a great option for you here.